Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 12th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. And we are on the daily time frame today to start with. Because on the daily, I wanted to show you these higher time frame Fibonacci retracement levels, because more than likely this is going to go up to the 78%. Now, on the shorter time frames, yesterday I was saying that I thought it was going to make a leg down and it was going to be like an ABC down before it went up to the 78%. But boy, this move is looking pretty impulsive. It's actually probably just going to keep on making its way up, which is another reason why I always say that these higher time frame trends are always your friend. Because oftentimes we go down to the shorter time frames to come up with counter trend analysis, but in reality, because of the higher time frame trends, the counter trend analysis on the shorter time frames can often be incorrect. So taking it all the way down to the 30-minute time frame, I personally would be looking for logs right now. I mean, I obviously wouldn't be trying to go long right now, but if it does make some sort of a three-way pullback on these sort of time frames, then I definitely would take it as a long, hopefully for the continuation of the higher time frame uptrend like what I was showing on the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.